Greetings everyone, my friends. Welcome to my new video. The cryptocurrency market is rising. When we look at Google, Bitcoin clicks are increasing. But I think we are still at the beginning of the road because it is still very low compared to these centuries of Bitcoin. But it's gone up very quickly recently. And when we look at the price of Bitcoin, it has broken the all-time level. What does that mean? It means this: anyone who buys Bitcoin at any time is in profit. What happens when this happens? They are constantly talking about it in the neighborhood environment, in the business environment, in the environment of friends. I bought Bitcoin and went into the black, and a lot of new investors are coming. When new investors come, altcoins start to recover. I prepared an altcoin basket for you today because this was one of the most frequently asked questions. I prepared an altcoin basket today. I will talk about a total of 4 altcoins. 3 of them will be projects that I have bought before but can still be bought because my prices have not jumped too hard. I will explain why. Our last coin is an artificial intelligence coin. A surprise coin, friends. It is a coin that nobody talks about much and is very risky. You know render, even Özgür Demirtaş shares a lot of renders, special for his subscribers. You can think of this as his Solana version. It's not render, it's another coin. We move on to our video without wasting time. Friends, I am Monte Crypto. I create content about cryptocurrency opportunities for you on YouTube. You can subscribe to our channel not to miss such opportunities. Now friends, I will make an altcoin basket and I will give 4 altcoins. In the BOA period, it is very difficult for influencers. Why is that? I will tell you that. The reason is that in the BOA period, every word that comes out of our mouth is very important because the new investor does not know. For example, I say 4 coins here, and all his money goes and buys 4 coins, and there is a responsibility for this. There is a responsibility. Now, the great investors, Warren Buffett, who is considered one of the greatest investors in the world, says this: never put all your eggs in one basket. What does that mean? So we will never invest all our money in a single coin. Even me, for example, when I invest, I buy 20 or 30 coins because the crypto market is really risky and preferred because the risk-reward ratio is high. So we need to apply safe measures. Now this is the list of the coins I bought my friends. A Google Tabular file called Perfume. It's in the cloud and I share it all the time. You can find it in the description of the video you're watching. I share it all the time and I usually share my purchases on Twitter, etc. But there is one purchase that I only share this video privately, I'll tell you that. It's below, but I won't show it right now. I will show you the later parts of the video, so you have to watch the video until the end. Okay, I believe you, okay? You can advance the video though. Anyway, let's get back to the subject. Now friends, these things that I call these red marks have increased excessively. For example, we bought AVAX for $14. It became $43. We bought 2.5 renderings. It's $10. Polkadot made 2 X's. Solana Nersi made 3 X's. My friends behind me did 5 or 6 X's. We got the TI for $2. It went up to $20. That's almost 10 X's. Mark them in red. These are no longer available for purchase. I'll share with you the ideal ones to buy from the rest. Now we're going to make a basket. In the basket, as we said, we're going to do such scattered things. 1 such a major coin. Even 2 major coins. We will choose 1 semi-risky coin. We will choose 1 very risky coin. Friends, the very risky one is our surprise coin. I'm going to start with my first major coin, Matic Polygon. I bought it at $1.02 at first. It's been a while. It's still at $1.16 right now. So he actually did not experience a serious rise. Now guys, what is this? Matic, now I'll explain it step by step. Especially when the market is good, this is how I evaluate the analysis. First, we need to look at fundamental analysis, then we will look at technical analysis. So if the macro data says good things for us, we can buy good altcoins. So what does the macro data say for the coming period? First of all, there will be a halving in Bitcoin next month. This is very good news. It is a sign for us that the price will increase. At the same time, there will be interest rate cuts on the American side in the next few months. This is also, frankly, friends, again, very positive news. Then we can think that we can prepare a nice basket of subcoins. We can think that we are in a bull period. Now I'm looking back at Polygon again. The current level is $115. What is Polygon? It's a multi-layered blockchain platform that came about as part of Ethereum's efforts to scale and develop infrastructure. Of course, it's not complicated. I'll try to explain it in a few simple sentences, and I think it's valuable for you to understand what it is. Its main purpose is to reduce the congestion of the Ethereum network, reduce transaction fees, and increase transaction speed. Of course, he tries to do this without compromising the security of Ethereum. That's why I obviously find Matic valuable. When we look at it like this, friends, now there is an upward trend in the price. Here we are looking at a daily chart. We have a resistance at 19 levels, friends. While the price is increasing, the volume is also increasing. This is a very bullish period for us, a very bullish sign. At the same time, guys, we have a nice increase in the RSI. Positive harmonization. Of course, technical is not overly important for us here. Matic was one of the projects I chose by looking at why it offers a solution and how the next period will pass. Now I'm moving on to my second project without wasting time. My second project, my friends, Atom, the Cosmos Network. I bought it for about $10 and it's currently at $13. I think Cosmos is still at a level that can still be bought. So what is this Cosmos? Actually, you can think of it as the internet of blockchains. A revolutionary work. Atom Network, Cosmos Network, friends, consider it as an internet blockchain. It acts as a bridge between traditionally isolated blockchains. It provides the technology for different blockchains to communicate with each other and exchange data. With this innovative approach, friends allow chains to work in harmony with each other and eliminate a serious problem. Here is the local token and coin of Cosmos. Friends, Atom is available on many exchanges. You can get 3 of the coins I will share so far from Binance. You can also get 1 from Gate.io. You can also find the discount links of Binance and Gate.io in the video description, friends. Links where you can get commission discounts and rewards. Now friends, when we look at Atom, we see a similar performance in Atom. Look, the coin price has entered a very nice trend. It has risen very seriously, and in the same way, volumes are also rising very seriously. And there is actually a resistance at the level of 14,26. It touched that resistance and came back. Our current expectation is that the uptrend will continue and throw itself above this resistance, friends. Now these two are in the major. Friends, I have a semi-risky basket. I want to share a coin that I like very much from my semi-risky basket. AltLayer, friends. AltLayer was recently launched with Binance Launch Pool. It's a really nice project. Now AltLayer is a little more difficult to understand. I'll try to explain it in a simple way. It's a decentralized protocol used to create customized rollups. It is called restated rollups. Such a content, friends. Now the goal in this rollup is this. Secure, decentralized, compatible, and cheap, friends. AltLayer provides all these. When we look at it like this, it moves in a band. It moves in a band that it touches twice from above and once from below. Of course, when it breaks this band, a good upward movement can come, friends. Here you see their performance. Axis 7 made 2 after it was listed. It increased 75% in a month. It increased 14% in the last week. Frankly, I think AltLayer can do well in this bull, but let me also say this. Of course, none of this is investment advice. I may be wrong. I'm a YouTuber trying to do my own research and share it with you guys. And like I said, you can invest all your assets. Never put your money on these 4 coins. Make a basket instead, friends. Buy 10, 20 coins. Seriously, buy more coins. We're done with AltLayer, and now we have our surprise altcoin. By the way, the video you are watching right now is an award-winning video. A friend who likes the video, subscribes to the channel, and shares the tweet in the fixed comment wins 600 TL from us, my friends. Now we come to our surprise altcoin. This is a very, very risky altcoin, friends. It is an altcoin with a low market cap and very backward rankings. And it is actually an artificial intelligence altcoin, an altcoin related to GPU. The name of our coin is friends Nosana. Ticker is NOS. Solana is an artificial intelligence coin that works at the moment. Nosana is revolutionizing GPU cloud computing, giving companies more competitive and affordable computing power to run AI. And that, my friends, is the first decentralized GPU platform powered by Solana. And frankly, I think it could be a valuable project, but it's risky. You can do a little less of that in your purchases, if you're going to buy this one. Because when we look at the market cap, 2,400th. But friends, at the same time, when we look at it in terms of volume, it ranks 379. So there is a serious volume going on. This shows that Nosana can actually come to good places. Solana is a really crazy network, guys, and it can go up very hard. But still, never enter here with all your assets. Now, you do a lot of futures trading during these periods, and you are using very high leverage. I think you should reduce the futures and evaluate spot investments a little bit. You will be very relieved for sure. I feel younger. Is it that much of a difference? Now friends, as I said, Nosana is not on Binance or any of the major exchanges. When we look at the market value right now, Radium and Gate.io are in those regions by volume. There is also Orca. I bought it on Gate.io, friends. In my purchase levels, 730, 733. These levels are appropriate, frankly. This is the first time I shared my private purchase in a YouTube video. I usually share my purchases on Twitter. Sometimes friends share them on our Telegram analysis channel. Now everyone wants to buy altcoins all the time. But recently, Bitcoin has shown the highest performance, friends. When we look at it like this, it has increased 160% in the last 6 months. It has increased 200% in the last year, friends. It has increased by about 60% in the last month. So we are talking about very serious rises. And on the American side, the spot Bitcoin ETF was approved. What does this mean? Here, now very big investment companies with a lot of money will go and buy Bitcoin in a spot way, in a real way. This causes the scarcity of Bitcoin's supply. More precisely, the supply is scarce. This causes a supply shock. So friends, I think you should consider Bitcoin as one of the important crypto investments. When you examine my investment strategy, I keep at least 15% of my assets in Bitcoin, friends. You can apply this kind of strategy. Friends, we share good opportunities for you on our Telegram announcement channel. You can follow here. Ask anything you have in mind as a comment. We read and answer these comments. Hope to see you in another video. Goodbye.